Hello there, Health and Healing Family Chiropractic family. Dr. Tyler here, and I'm going to be reviewing with you a neck exerciser called the Pro-Lordotic device. And we have 3 different tension devices to be used for the Pro-Lordotic exercise. You do have a more difficult tension, which is the green colored, and the blue one, which is more of a medium tension, and the red one, which is the easiest one. And the purpose of this exercise is to strengthen the posterior or the back muscles of the neck. And the reason why you want to strengthen them, if you think about your day-to-day lifestyle, if you're on the computer, which way is your head going? It's going forward this way. If you're a chef, you're again forward as well. If you're a driver, you're again forward. If you work on a factory line or a construction worker, doesn't matter what you do, I would say 90% of the time of what we do in our day-to-day lives is forward posture. So this is designed to help strengthen the back muscles to bring the head back and the chest up too as well to counter those negative forces. So let me just demonstrate with you how these exercises work. You have 6 motions that I'm going to show with you. And to start off, these devices go behind the neck, just like so. Then we extend the arms out to the side. Then we fold the arms in towards the front. And the 6 motions will be as follows. The first one is looking up. And you would do 10 repetitions of that. So it's from the side, this is what it looks like. Okay. Then you also will do what's called chin tucks, so bringing the head backwards. And then again from the side. That's what that looks like, and you do 10 repetitions of that. Then the next step would be going to do head rotations. So you're going towards the right side, again with the head back, turning head to the right, doing that 10 times, to the left, again 10 times. And then last motions are lateral flexions. So let's bring your ear towards your shoulders, completing that 10 times or 10 repetitions. And then to the other side too as well, repeating that 10 times. And then that will be it. So in total, you're looking to do a total of 60 repetitions, 1 set for each motion. And that's a great way to strengthen your back of your neck muscles, to warm up your ligaments and your tendons as well before you do what are called the general traction devices. And for those patients who receive that, you'll know what I'm talking about. It makes the traction more effective to bring back that proper cervical curve back into your neck again.